guys, today we are gonna prepare a delicious corn chowder. It's gonna be enough maybe for 8 people. We need 1.5 pounds of onions, 1.5 pounds of corn, and 1.5 pounds of potatoes, with 2 cloves of garlic. And then we start chopping the onions really small. Now we dice the potatoes and soak them on water. We crush the garlic and chopped it really small. We start sauteing the onions, salt and pepper, and when it's a little bit brown, we incorporate the corn and let it brown too. When it's getting really dark, we put the garlic in. We mix it and we put now 2 liters of stock. Can be chicken or vegetable stock. When it's starting boiling, we put 1 tablespoon of cumin and then we put the potatoes. When it's starting boiling, we put another liter of water and 1 cup of cream. Bring it to boil. When it's boiling, take out maybe 2 cups of the soup, put it in the blender, and then put it back on the soup. And now let it simmer until it's thickened. Now we put 1 tablespoon of paprika and let it thick until it's ready. Now you just plate it and you can garnish it with some chives and cheese. And there you go, that is your beautiful corn chowder. If you like this recipe, leave us a comment, check our list, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Peña's Kitchen.